Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Viki app proxy error. It's really simple and easy. So for this, first of all, what you have to do is you have to open your phone settings, and in settings you have to scroll down, go for this app management, and then go for this app list. And now here you have to search for this Viki, tap on it, then go for this storage and cache, and now you have to tap on this clear cache, and then you have to tap on this clear storage, click on this delete, then go back and tap on this force stop and click on this OK. After that you should come to your Play Store and you have to update your Viki app on the latest version, and now the last step, you have to restart your phone. So after that your error will be solved. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to fix Viki app proxy error. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.